Hey, what's up everybody, Kim Wood here, and today I'm reacting to Jeffy Gets Hiccups, so, well, let's get into this. Oh my god. Why does it always start like this? There.
Hey, Daddy.
Jeffy, what do you want?
I was wondering if I could go in the bathroom and say my pee-pee in the toilet seat.
Jeffy, you have the hiccups.
The hiccups? Why?
I don't know. They just come randomly, but they're really annoying. I hate them. Jeffy, stop doing that.
I can't help it, Daddy.
Well, then go over there and do it. I don't want to hear them. Jeffy! Okay, we have to get rid of those hiccups. Just hold your breath for a really long time.
Hold my breath?
Yeah. Just hold your breath. It'll make them go away. Just hold your breath until you can't breathe anymore. Keep holding your breath.
Gonna
Keep
kill
holding
him.
your breath. Oh, okay, you can breathe. Jeffy, breathe. You can breathe, Jeffy. Oh no.
Here lies Jeffy, an innocent kid that died because his dad forced him to hold his breath.
That can't happen. Jeffy, come on. CPR. Oh, you're alive, Jeffy.
Thanks, Daddy.
What? Your hiccups aren't gone, Jeffy. Okay, that's it. I'm going to call a doctor, and he's going to help get rid of those, because I can't say they're annoying.
Okay, Daddy.
All right, what's the emergency?
Okay, my son has hiccups.
You called the doctor for hiccups? Are you kidding me? I'd be doing surgery right now. I could be saving lives, not helping a kid with hiccups.
Yeah, Daddy.
Sarah, stop hitting me. He has hiccups, and I want him gone. What do we do?
Well, I don't know. I'm not a hiccup specialist.
What, there's a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I know one.
Well, can you call him? I really need him.
Okay, yeah, sure, I'll call him. Hey there, I'm the hiccup specialist. It's me.
You're a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I went to 5 years of hiccup school.
Are your parents proud of that?
No, they are not.
Why do you get rid of hiccups?
Well, first I'm gonna have to take a look at Jeffy and see how bad these hiccups are.
Okay.
Okay, open your mouth, Jeffy. Say ah. Really get up in there. Smells like pepperonis. Yeah, it's a really bad case of hiccups.
Well, how do you get rid of them?
Well, usually in a case like this, we have to scare them. It's a part of a 7-stage process. So basically, we're gonna have to.
That actually works.
Yeah, that didn't work. All right, well, if that didn't work, I guess the only thing we gotta do now is go. No, not quite. I'm gonna have to go out to my car and get a few things.
Okay.
Go! Oh, man, this kid's got nerves of steel.
Oh, okay.
All right.
What's stage 2?
All right, well, stage 2 is basically go! All right, that's not working. Come on, follow me. Go!
Come on.
Yeah, still nothing. All right.
Jeffy, come on.
Okay, stage 2 is the balloon effect. Jeffy, take this balloon and hold it.
Wait, a balloon?
Okay, you like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah, I like a balloon.
Boom! Ah, man, I really thought that was gonna work.
What?
All right, okay, stage 2 for real this time. You like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah.
All right, on to stage 3.
All right, come on, Jeffy.
All right, so stage 3 is the angry drunk dad coming home from work stage. It scares the kids every time.
Wait, what?
Sharon, where's my dinner? Sharon, I got laid off at work today, Sharon.
What?
Sharon, what is this? Soggy cookie crisp for dinner again, Sharon? That's not healthy. Where's my kids so I can yell at them? Don't make me get the mask. Boo! Yeah. Did that work? All right, on to stage 4.
Yup.
All right, so stage 4 is the apple on the head stage.
What? Apple on the head stage?
Yeah, it's where we put an apple on Jeffy's head and we shoot it off with a crossbow.
A crossbow?
Yeah.
Isn't that dangerous?
Well, yeah, it's dangerous. That's why it's scary.
Well, what happens if you miss?
Well, if I miss, the arrow goes through Jeffy's head and he dies instantly. But if I hit the apple, it'll be awesome.
Okay.
All right, let me go get my goggles. Boom! Man, I'm gonna get him eventually. All right, let's do this.
Okay.
All right, let's shoot this apple.
Okay, Jeffy, are you ready?
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, he's ready.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Jeffy, are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, he still has hiccups.
Well, he may still have hiccups, but look at that shot! Bullseye!
Well, what are we going to do about his hiccups?
Yeah, and if you want more bad news, I also put a hole in your wall.
What?
Yeah, okay, on to stage 5.
Oh,
All right, so for stage 5, we got a bomb here.
Wait, a bomb?
Yeah,
Why did the bomb go off?
Well, it's not a real bomb. It's just an Apple Watch taped to a firecracker taped to an Xbox power brick.
Oh.
Yeah. Anyway, on to the next one. All right, so for stage 6, we're going to push Jeffy out of a plane without a parachute.
What?
Yeah, hopefully the fear of hitting the ground and dying is going to get rid of his hiccups.
But what if he actually dies?
Oh, don't worry, he's not going to die. Not as long as he hits the twister mat.
What, the twister mat?
Yeah, you know Twister, like the board game?
Yeah.
As long as he lands left hand red, we're good.
What?
All right, champ, down you go.
Jeffy, are you okay?
Well, he landed left hand on red, so I'd say that's a win in my book.
But is his hiccups gone? What do we do now?
All right, it's time for stage 7. The worst, most scary thing that I can think of.
Well, what is that?
All right, everybody, put your stuff on the counter and make sure it's open. Good. All right, how much I owe you?
772.
Okay, let me just get my wallet. Wait, where's my wallet?
Wait, what?
I forgot my wallet. I must have left it at home. Oh no, how am I going to pay for all this? We already opened it and I drank my drink, but what are we going to do? Do you have your wallet?
No, I don't have my wallet.
Oh no, what a scary situation. How are we going to pay you? What do we do?
You leave.
How embarrassing. Okay. Well, stage 7 didn't work, and that was the scariest thing I know, so I don't know what to do now.
Yeah, we tried all 7 stages, so what do we do now?
Well, I hate to admit this, but I think Jeffy has incurable hiccups.
What, incurable hiccups?
Yeah, I mean, I don't think there's a cure for... Blow! All right. I had to try just one more time. Yeah. I hate to say it, but I think Jeffy's just gonna have hiccups for the rest of his life.
Daddy, I don't want hiccups for the rest of my life.
Get out of here, you stupid fly!
Come on, Jeffy, it's just a fly. I know, Dave, but it was really scary. It's trying to eat my face.
Wait, Jeffy, I think his hiccups are gone.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Wait, Jeffy, do you have hiccups?
I think so.
Good.
I think that fly, it cured his hiccups.
What?
Oh, no, please don't stop it.
All right, I'm gonna go get the crossbow. Blow!